Hello there, my name is Amo Joseph and I'm a software developer in line with digital marketing here in Nigeria, and I've helped hundreds of people build a great source of income through my online practices by creating a conducive environment for training. Welcome to my official YouTube channel, and on this channel I'm going to be educating you about everything related to tech and its skills, as well as making money online. So sit back while I go bring opportunities to your doorstep, and expect videos on digital marketing, software and its resources, coding, programming, a touch of affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification icon, so when I release a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, you can always get the notification 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning.